Hi, my name's Alexandra and I am a patient of Dr. Shah's. I was involved in a motor vehicle accident back in December of 2021. And after a couple weeks, I realized, at first I kind of just felt really sore. I'd never really been in an accident before. But after a few weeks were going by and I was treating with a chiropractor, I could tell that my left side was getting a lot better, but my whole right side was just constantly 24/7 in pretty severe pain. So ranging from my shoulder down my whole right arm into my forearm, wrist, hand, the back of my scapula, rhomboid, just again 24/7. Chronic pain. So after seeing about 12 plus doctors, going through multiple rounds of physical therapy, seeing a few chiropractors, trying some dry needling, really trying anything and everything, all the diagnostics kept coming back normal. The doctors were telling me okay, I can tell you're in pain, or okay, I can tell that your, right side is weak, but that's all we can really do. And so everyone was kind of turning me away. I felt crazy. It was something that, again, wasn't showing up on any of the tests. And I think it was invisible pain. And I just felt like no one was believing me and no one was willing to try to help me further. So after almost 3 years of searching, I was in some different forums on Facebook and things like that. And someone had said, you've seen all these vascular doctors and maybe you should see someone that specializes in brachial plexus injuries. And so my research led me there, which led me to find Dr. Shah. And I remember the night that I was filling in the inquiry in bed, just ending it with, "Please help, I'm desperate." Again, desperate just doesn't even begin to cut it, but I'm just trying to get someone's attention. I needed help and was just kind of thinking that this was just going to be another one of those scenarios that they tell me to come in and kind of get nowhere. And so I went into the appointment with Dr. Shah, and immediately I felt at ease. He was reassuring me that we were going to get to the bottom of it. He gave me the hope that I needed to continue on. I truly just didn't know if I had to deal with what I was dealing with every day, I didn't know how I was going to continue to go on. And that was a scary place to be. And Dr. Shah truly saved my life. So about 6 months after seeing him for the first time, I traveled to New Jersey for the surgery. Still just extremely anxious, not knowing exactly what we were going to find. And from the second that I walked into the hospital, I was treated with just such nice people, such respect. Everybody was just really helped put me at ease. I remember checking in and my nerves got to me and I started crying, and then Gigi, the lady checking me in, she's like, "Are you crying? Don't cry. Everyone's here is gonna take such good care of you." And they did, and she came and saw me personally. As soon as I got out of surgery, Dr. Shah even came and talked to me after surgery. I've never had any surgery that the doctor came and talked to me directly afterwards. He texted me the same day, and again, from the second that I walked into the hospital until the second I left, it was the easiest surgery that I've ever gone through. I didn't have any physical therapy. I did have some restrictions afterwards where I wasn't able to lift more than a pound for about a month or so. But after a month, really kind of started noticing that I was starting to feel less pain and some pain relief that I just never thought was ever going to be possible. I just can't thank Dr. Shah enough for believing in me and giving me the hope that I needed to continue to move forward. He really gave me my life back, and I will never forget it.